What we've been able to do is address designs that haven't really changed for over a century and bring 3D printing in and actually massively improve those designs. Bowman is a bearing company. We distribute and manufacture bearings for the entire bearing industry and industrial distribution sector. We started using 3D printing about 3 years ago when we started developing these products and realising what could be done with 3D printing. For us, the multi-jet fusion process was a massive step forward in terms of output, the number of parts we could make, and the isotropic properties, so having the same mechanical properties throughout the part. With designing for MJF, we're able to design for the optimal product rather than being limited in the geometries we can create. So we're actually able to make the perfect bearing cage in our instance. So for us, PA11 was the obvious choice because it has slightly better mechanical properties, impact resistance, which is important for us, and the elongation of brake, and generally just a slightly higher grade engineering material. By using the MJF cage, we're able to take the entire bearing's load capacity to 30 or 40 or even 50% higher, 3 to 5 times the life of a traditional bearing. There's not a product on the market that comes close to the performance we can get from our product. For us, having the technical support and backup from the HP service engineers is essential to make sure that we can keep our production system running 24/7. For Bowman, we see an enormous future with using MJF technology. What we're doing with 3D printing opens up a whole new world of possibilities. The bearing industry, just on its own, is an enormous industry with tens of thousands, millions of products every year which could benefit from implementing exactly what we've done already with split roller bearings.